Hey everyone, welcome to today's live stream. In this short clip, you're about to see our chickens get a special treat, all thanks to their handy auto feeder. Watch as the feeder activates and delivers their favourite snacks. It's always fun to see their excitement when it's treat time. And don't forget, if you want to join the fun live, check out the link in the tag or the end screen. You can watch more live chicken adventures and interact with us in real time. We'd love to have you with us.